Hello, it's Selena here, and this is the Voice Teen Sri Lanka Season 3. And now I have with me Aditya Narayan and Coach Sanka. Hi, hello.
Hi.
How's it here? Are you enjoying Sri Lanka?
Yes, absolutely. Thank you. Thank you for having us.
It's truly an honor to have you at Voice Teen Sri Lanka. What do you feel about this platform?
It's a beautiful platform. Obviously, Sanka can tell you more about The Voice. I'm just here to surprise my brother today. And by the looks of it, I think I've managed to surprise him.
Of course.
Yeah.
You have done a tremendous job. It's too much, brother.
Coach Sanka, were you actually surprised?
Of course. Have you seen my eyes? The way I talk? Everything has been changed.
He was-
But thank you.
He was
Yeah,
this
he-
close to crying. I saw one tear.
We are maintaining a very close by relationship, and he's like my Indian brother. And but thank you, brother. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure, man. Thank you for having me. Thank you, Sri Lanka, for always giving me so much love. And, you, as a country, you love music.
Of course.
India loves music, so that's
Yeah.
something that we have in common, and which is why artists like us, whenever we come to Sri Lanka, we are given so much love, so much respect. And back in 2018, we had done a wonderful concert together, and it was a resounding success. I remember thousands and thousands of people were there.
Nearly 7,000 audience have been there.
Yeah,
So we have entertained them.
yeah, and that was my first time. That was my first ever performance in Sri Lanka ever.
So this is your second time?
Yes.
Oh,
This is the
wow.
second time, and this time we are performing at the Havelock Grounds on the 1st of August, and it's going to be bigger, better, more musical, and of course, over the past 6-7 years, Sanka and I have become more handsome. So yeah, that's always a good thing. No?
Yeah. I'm not gonna leave this.
Actually,
Yeah.
we should ask the ladies. No? Like you're looking okay.
Of course, you both look great, right? Do you have a specific message to give to our contestants in this Voice Teens?
So Sanka has filled me in on all the talent that Sri Lanka has in terms of music, and there's so many wonderful reality shows and shows that happen. We are standing here at The Voice, and even the judges. They, I believe, are doing really, really well, all on the Spotify top charts. So music is an integral part of Sri Lanka. So I just hope that I firstly, all my love, congratulations, all the very best for your musical endeavors. Keep following your passion, and I love the love and enthusiasm that all the artists have here for music. And I congratulate all the judges, Sanka included, for encouraging all the new talent over here.
Of course. Thank you so much for coming to Sri Lanka.
Thank you.
We love you.
We love you too.